Dan, Michael Ryer here. Hey, last week during our meeting, one of your CSRs brought up a question about forwarding jobs to outside vendors. Be it another printer or be it a design firm, whatever it is. So I wanted to go through and show you three different ways that we allow you to do that sort of thing here in Good to Go. Okay? So, first of all, we'll start off with a simple Good to Go review. Now in this case, we've enabled the file download. And if I take this and just say send for review, let's go ahead and put in the customer's email, just like that. Now remember, we got the message over here. This can be customized. This could be changed. And you can actually have the confirmation, adjust the deadline if you need to adjust that. But let's just go ahead and send it and get that going. Okay, another way we can do it is we can do a job forward. So let's go to this other file here. Again, we got to make sure file downloads enabled. And let's go ahead and forward that job to the client. Oh, R-E-I-H-E-R, there we go. And again, the message over here, you notice it's different than our standard review message. It's because we're picking up a different default. Again, that can be customized as it's going out the door. Send that. So let's take a look at what those two ways look like from the partner standpoint. So first of all, the review notification. This is what their review notification would look like. Again, you got control over that text, the deadline, all that good stuff. We'll go ahead and take a look at the review. And here you get to see the document. They can reject it. They can put in some changes, mark it up, or they can approve it. The other thing they can do is download it. So they can just click on it and download that file directly to their local machine. So that gives them the capability to review it, approve it, reject it, ask for more changes if necessary, so on and so forth. That might be a good way to do it if you're actually working through some potential changes. Okay. Now let's go to the other one where it's more of a job forward. So now we know we got the job ready to go. We just want the outside vendor to accept it and then have access to download it. Again, message and everything can be customized on a case-by-case basis based on your default. Now here they have the capability to put a comment back in. They can accept or decline the job, and then they can download it right here. So again, they get the capability to accept it, decline it. They can put in a comment. Looks good, just like that, and submit that back. And the thing about it is, no matter what they do, again, it's all being recorded in the history of the job, so you get that file history along with it. So that's a job forward for a single file. The last thing I wanted to show you has to do with an order. Now, an order in Good to Go is a little bit different than an individual file. First of all, an order can be made up of multiple components. Like in this case, I put together an order that has that same brochure. It also has a postcard, different specifications, and it has a supporting file, a loose logo that went along with it. Now you can go in and we can look at the specification for each of these right here. You can see the brochure, what the quantity to be printed, the size, number of sides on there, whether it's duplex or simplex. We can look at the postcard, and here we got a logo which has no specifications. And then you can even put in information such as paper folding needs, whatever else needs to go along with that job can be added in there, okay? So this, with an order, you get a lot more flexibility on that. And again, here, I can go right to the action menu and I can forward that job off to the partner. So let's go ahead and put in their email, just like that. Again, a custom message can be put in there. Send that along. Now let's take a look at what this looks like from a partner standpoint. And we'll refresh the screen just like that. Here it comes. I heard the little ding. So it's showing up. There it is. Let's go ahead and review that. And here you can see again, it's just like the other job forward, but it's based on an order number. So there's actually a number. They can accept it, decline it. They got the instructions. They got the capability to put a note in. They got the capability to look at the specifications for the 3 different files that are there. And here down below, they got the capability to download the individual files one at a time. They also have the ability to upload additional files if they need to upload a job on their end. So there's lots of flexibility here when working with an order. Multiple components, multiple specifications, upload and download a file. So hopefully that's helpful. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know. You know how to get a hold of me. Take care.